So starting the test drive in this Grand Wagoneer, this Hurricane engine is insane. It really is. I'm gonna show you all on the interstate, hopefully here. I'll get a chance to, but I just tested it coming out of a corner and my goodness gracious. I mean, the pull is crazy. But the Grand Wagoneer, I was wondering why I've been seeing so many around. Because I've driven I think it was a Series 1 or Series 2, just a regular Wagoneer, and that one was nice, but it just doesn't touch what you get for 20, 25 grand more. I mean, I'm getting a back massage now. I think I'm getting a bottom massage too. Everything looks premium, feels premium, but this engine choice especially is just, it's downright crazy. I mean, the power output is ridiculous. So the ride quality of this is pretty nice. And I'm in the improved aerodynamics, suspension height now. And I love just how, I'm still up high, don't get me wrong, but comparing this to the Off-Road 2, the top of the line off-road suspension, it's crazy how adjustable this thing gets. I mean, it's a big difference. And in the off-road mode, you can pretty much take on any curve. You can take on pretty much anything. It's super great. And you get that same Jeep off-road capability that you're used to just in a luxury SUV. So getting on the interstate here, I'm pretty excited. And I'm gonna put my foot down, but I'm not gonna thrash it at all. This is a new vehicle, so it's not gonna be anything crazy, but I am going to use the turbos just a little bit. And the acceleration is wild because this isn't even in sport mode. That's what gets me. But I have the cruise control on, lane centering's on. The lane centering might not be on, hold on. There it is. All right, now the lane centering's on. So fantastic system here. And the ride quality is wild. It's so plush. Just great in every way. And I'm just doing 65 right now, but still, you get up to about 75, 80 in this, you're just cruising on a road trip, just floats down the road. I mean, a superb, superb driving vehicle. So compared to pretty much everything else on the road, just very impressive. And it pretty much has every feature. And I mean, in terms of features, this pretty much has more than anybody else. I mean, just a super impressive SUV. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2023 Wagoneer Grand Wagoneer Series 3.